I'm Jessica, Outreach Coordinator with the Freshwater Fisheries Society of BC. If you are 16 or over, you require a basic license to fish freshwater in BC. These licenses are available as a 1-day, an 8-day, or an annual license, and these are valid April 1st to March 31st. If you are under 16 and a BC resident, you can sport fish without a license. However, if you are a non-resident, you must be accompanied by someone 16 or over with the appropriate license. Fishing for some species and in some locations require additional stamps or licenses. To buy a license, head to our website, GoFishBC.com, and we have a Buy a License button. This takes you to the BC government page where you can either buy your license online through the e-licensing system, or if you'd like to buy a license in person, you can find a license vendor here as well. Now, in most circumstances, an electronic copy is okay. So when you buy your license, you can screenshot it and save it to your phone. But if you need to record your catch as a part of your quota, this paper license is required. One side of it shows what needs to be recorded. So it's steelhead, adult chinook, Shuswap Lake char and rainbow trout, and Kootenai Lake rainbow trout. So in that case, you're going to need these. But when you buy your license, 100% of those license fees go back into the resource, directly benefiting BC's fisheries.